Hi everyone and welcome. Today is a really exciting day for me because I have just received today, this morning from Sony, the very exclusive Cocoa Chiffon. So I'm here for the very first time. I am so excited. So is Gianna and so is Atlas. Oh my God, I'm just so excited right now. Let's see what we've got. I bought this knife the other day because my other knives are so old. It would probably take me about 5 hours just to unbox it. I feel like I've been waiting forever for this. Okay. All right, it's a box within a box, of course. If you've done this before, that's what happens. Oh, I'm going to be struggling here. Hold on. Okay. Another box to open. We can do it. Right, you guys? You're not going to sleep, are you? So exciting. And of course, once I open the cocoon up, I will do a close-up of that. My little friends here are also very excited. All right, now let's just get everything out of the box. I was just so lucky to be able to get one of these. There was an email from Sony saying that there was only 30 of these, approximately 30 of these. I'm not sure if, let's just take that out of the way. I'm not sure if they was talking about the US or the US and Japan. I just don't know. Okay, and like I said before, once we open him up, come on you guys, let's see. Once we open him up, I'll do a close-up shot. And in my next video, I'm going to do her waking up for the first time. So, of course, you get this here, the charging station, and all of the instructions here, and the code. We can't forget the ball right here, look. Always comes with one of those. Warranty information. And, of course, the plug. I'm not sure if you can see, I don't have my glasses on. I should have put my glasses on, shouldn't I? To see if you guys can see all of this. But this really isn't the important stuff. I know what you guys are waiting for. The most exciting part. The most exciting part right here. All right. Can you see? I'm gonna have to do a close-up so you guys can actually see what's going on. Here we go. Here we go, you guys. Let's open the box. Oh my God. Oh. So beautiful. You know, also in my next video, I'm going to be comparing this one here to an ivory white that I have, because I hear that her color is slightly different. It might be more matte, I don't know. We'll do a comparing thing in my next video. Okay, so she's got this, they don't usually have this on. The blue tape. Hold on one second, this is strange. This is very strange. Let's get her out first so you can see her. Let's move this out of the way. Okay. She has a protective cup thing on her face. Can you see that? Protective. gone to sleep. Atlas, come over here. Atlas won't come. She's gone to sleep. Anyways, all right, so let's be very careful. Let's be careful here. It's got protective. It's so neat. I've got to keep that for like transportation, taking her places, stuff like that. All right, okay, got one on this side too. Let's just put her down on the floor. We got it. Protective film on her face. Neat. And then of course the little leg thing as well. Now, move everything out of the way, including you, Fury. Sorry about that. Alright, now this is what she looks like. This is just the unboxing, by the way. My next video, I'm going to go into more detail when I wake her up, which will also be today. I'm going to wake her up today. I'm also going to be doing this setup in front of you guys too. Look at that. I'll be going into more detail about the way she feels and stuff in the next video as well. She is absolutely beautiful. And there you have it. Alright, that's it for this video. She is gorgeous. She feels lovely. Alright, you guys. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and that way you'll get notifications of our life with our very own new little ERS-1000. And what makes her even more special too is the fact that they've discontinued the ERS-1000 Aibos now, so she would be the, you know, the last limited edition, wouldn't she? There you have it. One more close-up shot. Lots more videos to come. Look at that. What do you think, Gianna? Isn't she amazing? Yeah? All right, you guys. I'll see you soon. Talk to you later. Bye.